This is the Lone Creator YouTube. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will show how to connect MetaMask extension, updated. Open the extension, unlock with your password, and choose the network you want to use right away. Click the account circle to copy your address or switch to the accounts menu to import a wallet with a seed phrase. Confirm permissions when a D app requests connection and always review requested permissions before approving any transaction. In this video, I will explain how to connect MetaMask extension, updated. To add a network, use the network selector and choose, or add a custom RPC URL, chain ID, and symbol. For tokens, use the import token flow and paste the contract address to display balances correctly. Always double-check contract addresses from official sources and enable test networks if you need a sandbox to practice without risking real funds. In this video, I will review how to connect MetaMask extension, updated. Quick recommendation. On another note, the new Kindle Paperwhite is great for reading while you wait for transactions to confirm, with a glare-free screen and long battery life for travel or breaks. If you want one, check the description for the link and other deals to grab it easily. Thanks for watching, and now let's get back to the video. In this video, I will help with how to connect MetaMask extension, updated. Store your seed phrase offline and use a hardware wallet for significant funds to reduce online risk. Set a strong password and enable phishing detection in the extension settings to avoid malicious sites. Revoke unused site permissions and periodically audit connected sites from the security section to keep your accounts tidy and safer from unauthorized access.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.